In this video, I will show you how to create product mockups on JetPrint. First, log into your account. Then on the left side of the screen, click Catalog. From here, browse through the products and select the one you would like to design. Once you've chosen, click on Design. Now, upload your artwork or image, drag it onto the product, and adjust the size or placement until it looks right. Take a moment to position it neatly so your design stands out. You can always experiment with different images or try out multiple versions until you're happy. When everything looks good, just click Save. You've created the product mock-up and can now preview exactly how your design will look. This way, you will know your product is ready before publishing it. And that's how to create product mock-ups on JetPrint.